In this video, we are going to see about NgModule, how the module is architecture inside Angular applications and how it integrates all the components, services, directives together into an application will be seen here. So RT-ng module is annotation which is helps to describe how the compiler, how the components are there, how the injectors we are injecting, how the directive, what are the directives present, what are the pipes present. So all this information will be fetched into this ng module and so that it will be available throughout the application. I have given a simple example of this one. So in the declarations, we have the app component, customer risk component, customer detail component. So all these components will be listed under the details, declarations. And inside the imports, we have the import mainly for the like forms module, HTTP client module, app routing module, browser module, everything. What are all the modules that is needed for the components will be listed on here. And inside the bootstrap, we have the app component. That is the main app component which will be loading at the first screen. Okay. Example and explanation of these things, declarations, export, imports, providers, bootstrap will be given here. And for example, declarations, we have to declare the components, directives, and pipes inside this one. Exports, we need to give the ng modules that should be used, visible and usable in the component templates. And imports, what are the imports we are declaration? Everything will be provided here. Providers will have services. WhatsApp will have the WhatsApp component, which will be the root component of the particular application. Will be installed inside this. Please go through this one. This is a simple architecture of that one. Library module components will be there, directives will be there, services will be there, and some values we will constant values we will declare here. Some functions will be declared here. Everything will come under this ng module, and this will be invoked. The ng module will be invoked for all other facilities. Thanks team. Thanks for the support.